Yeah, good day, everyone. I want to take us through steps that will help us to be able to access our pay slips. And the first thing we're going to do is to see how we can change our password. Uh, when you get to your browser, go to www.lagosstatehR.com/webmail. I want to repeat that. www.lagosstatehR.com/webmail. When you do that, insert your uh, email and the given password. Insert your email and the given password on this page that you can see here. Then you click on login. When you click on login, it will open this page to you where you only have to click on the blue box. That blue box is on the left side. It's written on it open. Click on that open box to open that box. Then it will take you to a familiar page of email. When you have that email, just leave that one. Go and open a new tab. And type there suburb.smartacerp.com. I want us to take that carefully. Don't put www there. suburb.smartacerp.com. suburb.smartacerp.com. When you do that, it will open this page where you will only have to click on forgot password. It's done there. You will see it there after the blue mark under it. When you click on that, it will take you to another page where you have to enter your email and click on email link. Click on email link after entering your email. That's the new email that you are given. Then at that point, you have to go back to the first page that you open. Remember, it has opened a sort of email to you. Go back to it. That's the lagosstatehR.com /webmail that you first of all open. You will see email there. A new mail has just been dropped there, which is forgot password. When you click on forgot password, it will give you another page where you have one long blue link at the middle. Click on that blue link. Then it will open a new page for you where you have to insert your email, your new password, and you have to confirm your new password before you reset. Let me say this about your new password. Your new password must have things like capital letter. It must have character. It must also have numbers so that it can be very strong. But make sure these are items you will be able to remember altogether. The password is something you must be able to remember. When you have done that and you have clicked on reset, it's going to bring up reset password confirmation. And under it, you are going to have please click here to log in. That's where you have to click on. When you click on that, it's going to bring up your profile. When it brings up your profile, your picture and every other thing will be there. On the left side, you have employee self-service. Click on that employee self-service. Under the menu that you have there, you have payslips. When you click on payslips, it's going to open all your payslips onto you, where you have to the latest payslip that you have. Click on any month. When you click on the month, scroll it down. You will see on the right bottom there, on the right bottom, export to PDF. When you export to PDF, you are good to go. Then you have your payslip the way we have always been having it. I hope I've been able to guide you properly. Thank you very much.